King Rich is back again, approaching 100 girls, Stratford right now. I might touch Oxford Street, different locations in London, yeah. London is the hardest market in the UK to move to girls, but obviously I'm gonna do it because King Rich is in it. Come on, let's go. Do you need some help?
Oh no, I'm okay.
You sure you got a lot of bags with you in that?
It's very heavy, but it's okay, no worries.
Oh, okay. What's your name? You're looking gorgeous. Anteline. Nat.
Yes.
Where you from? Are you from around here?
Yeah, I'm married.
You're married? Oh, that is annoying. But I can understand why. I can understand why. And the face card was serious. You having a good day? Yeah? Yeah, I'm doing good. What's your name?
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because I want to be friendly. I'm sociable.
I'm not allowed.
You're not allowed? Why?
Like, I've watched you or something.
I look familiar? You think so?
Are you like a YouTube channel or something?
I do stuff online sometimes, yeah. But why do you say you're not allowed? What's wrong? You got a boyfriend? Oh, okay, alright. I'm not a home wrecker, innit? So I'll leave you to it, yeah?
Thank you.
Alright, have a good day, yeah? King Riches.
Yay, that's it.
Yeah.
Hello?
I just wanted to say hello to you quickly and
Do you have a boyfriend?
oh, you got a boyfriend? Alright, cool. Hello, how you doing?
Thank you.
You alright? What's your name? Oh?
Yeah.
That's very unique.
Thank you.
Where are you from? Area in London.
Oh, in Surrey at the moment.
Surrey. Okay, alright. What are you up to now? Oh, alright. Well, like, you look nice and everything.
Thank you.
And thought that I'd like to see you again some other day. Would that be alright?
Not interested.
Ah, okay. No worries. Alright, no worries. Take care, man. Oh, what are you up to up in Oxford Circus? This is Regent Street right here. Yeah. Yeah, nah, it's all good. It's all good. No, but you're looking nice, and obviously, I want to see you again, innit? Is that good?
No, I'm actually speaking to someone.
Oh, that is pain. Alright.
Relationship, but
Situationship, so that's not serious then.
no, we're speaking.
Alright, no worries, man. Blood, I swear today is not working, bruv. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's in the water today. And it's so annoying because last week was so good and this week is just so crap. I don't know what it is, but we keep rolling. Oh, okay. Where you off to?
I'm going over there.
Over there. Do some shopping, yeah?
Just, gallivanting.
Gallivanting. No real like goal, or you're just outside for no reason.
Yeah.
That's mad. That's sick though. But what was I gonna say? Nah, I definitely got to see you again, innit?
What area are you from?
I'm from South.
South London.
Yeah.
What's your profession?
Content creation.
Are you go gym?
Yeah, I'm a PT as well. Yeah.
You're a PC?
Yeah.
Whereabouts in South do you live?
Do you want me to be your PT?
I work at a gym.
What gym? Oh, I used to go there a long time ago. Long time ago. Yeah, I didn't really like that gym, to be fair. Yeah, they're always small, innit?
I think your friends are waiting for you.
Yeah, they're waiting for me. But listen, as I said, let me get your details. I'll take your number and then I'll talk to you again another
I
day.
give my number,
Why?
but I can give my social media. I don't give my number.
Oh. Why do girls not give out their number?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? You're not.
Okay,
What do you need?
Right. I do because of only family and only friends. Before the PC, I give a number out and put it on my display board, and everyone's like calling me. Not saying you would.
Yeah.
Because of that, I sort of like stopped.
Oh, okay. Well, you know what? I'll take your IG, but don't make me a fan, you know. There you go.
Are you not Rita?
I know a lot of people.
Said what?
People like me.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. Take care, yeah? Be safe, yeah?
I will.
Alright, take care. See you later. What's your name?
Mariana.
Mariama. Okay, alright. Well, my name's...
I recognize you from somewhere, but I don't know where.
Recognize me?
Yeah,
From where?
I think it's a video.
Really?
I think so.
Nah. I'm low key. I'm very low to the floor.
Yeah, I think you're
I'm what? The man of your dreams. But anyway, regardless of that, I saw you and thought, right, like you're amazing looking, and like I'd like to see you another time. Is that possible? You got a boyfriend? Nah, I understand, bruv. She recognized me, bruv. She knew who I was straight away, bruv. we need to go out of town, bruv. We just need to do this way out of town, out of the country, fam.
Scotland.
Scotland. Oh shit! How long you been in London?
Years.
Years. Okay. What you lot got going on tonight?
Fantastic teeth.
I know. I woke up like this. I woke up like this still. What you lot got going on tonight?
Honestly,
We're sightseeing. This is my first time in Chinatown.
yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. See, I come to get your number, you know.
I've got a boyfriend.
Oh, that is painful. That is painful. Yeah, I'm not a home wrecker, innit? But like, nah, you lot are looking nice though, man.
Thank you.
You know? Again, I'm on a losing streak, bruv. Bruv, it's just one of those days. Right, at least we got audio. All right, at least we got audio. Can I hold it as well? Thank you very much, yeah. Right, walking off on that. What's your name? You're looking beautiful, you know. Or are you coming from work or something?
I went to school.
Oh, on your own. So we should go next time, innit? Me and you, innit? You're very, very pretty, you know. Just my type. Yeah, definitely. You know what? I'm gonna have to take your number so we can arrange a date or something like that. King, Mike, King. Yeah, nice to meet you. You're gorgeous. Yeah, let me take your number, man, instantly before you like disappear forever. Here you go. So what you got going on for the rest of the evening? You're just gonna chill, yeah? You're gonna watch Love Island? Maybe. I hear that. I don't watch TV myself. Because it's brainwashing sometimes.
Really?
Yeah. Don't you think?
You're not watching Love Island?
No. I don't listen to music either.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, I just like to keep my mind clear.
What are your plans for it?
I'm just gonna be out here with my friends and then just go home, go back to the gym, innit?
You're not from here, are you?
Huh?
Are you from London?
Yeah. Why did you say that?
I don't know.
Well, do I sound like I got accent or
A
something?
little bit.
Is it? No, not even. Born and raised. Yeah. But yeah, you have a good evening though.
It's nice to
Take
meet you.
care, yeah. I'm definitely gonna holler at you, yeah? Be good. Stay safe. Alright, see you later. Hey, listen, at least one W at least. Come on, man. But you're looking really nice, man. You look like you're about to go party or something like that.
No.
No?
Walk
Oh.
along the lake. Yeah.
Oh, the lake.
Yeah.
Where's the lake?
River.
Mad.
Not from here.
Oh, so where are you from then? Where are you from?
Australia, but we're in a rush. Yeah.
Oh, so what? Can we see each other again sometime?
Oh, I'm okay.
Oh, okay. Alright. Alright, no worries. Take care. Title this video, getting rejected by 100 girls in central London, bruv. I swear, bruv. Where are you lot off to tonight?
I don't know. What do you recommend?
Huh?
What do you recommend?
You could do Libertine, you could do Tape. Have you heard of those clubs? Yeah, big clubs and that. But does that sound good? Or what was your plans? Where you lot from? You don't look like you're from around there, like you're from out of town or something. Where you lot from?
Norfolk.
Norfolk. Oh, okay. But I came to say hello to your friend though. What's your name? Oh, okay. Alright, no worries, take care. Them girls there do not like black guys, bruv. I'm just telling you. Them kind of girls, they don't like black guys. So, like, the vibes was already off instantly, bruv. My size, you know. Just my type.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, am I your type? Why not?
I have a boyfriend.
You got a boyfriend? What you got going on tonight? Oh, alright. You're not going to no club or nothing, huh?
No.
We should be going to clubs together, don't you think?
No, I don't go clubs.
You what?
We just go to some food.
Oh, alright. Come to the end of the video, yeah. Today has not been that successful, I can't lie, but it's been a showcase of the reality of moving to girls in London, chatting up girls in London, bruv. It's not easy. And I think I literally got like 2 W's, bruv. But that's how it is. Anyway, make sure you like, leave a comment. Let me know what I did wrong. Yeah? Let me know what I did right, what I did wrong, or whatever. Anyway, with that being said, I'm out of here. Peace.